Heidi-ho everybody, and welcome to today's adventure. For today's adventure, I went to the Sugar Factory in New York City. The Sugar Factory is a high-end dessert venue that also has savory foods that many celebrities go to. Please hit that like and subscribe button so I can bring you more fun and entertaining content. If you hit like and subscribe and also comment on this video, you'll be entered in my $50 giveaway, where I give away $50 to one subscriber when I reach 1,500 subscribers. Now let's get started on today's sugary sweet adventure. The location I went to was off of Broadway, and I had to jump onto a subway, get off at Times Square, mull around Times Square a little bit looking at the scenery, and then later on I walked down Broadway in order to find the Sugar Factory. Look at that, Bumblebee and Batman. Oh. There's a lot of people here. I'm coming through. After that, I finally arrived at the Sugar Factory. Oh, I like sugar. Yes, I do. To the left are some of the celebrities who have also attended the Sugar Factory, either here or different locations. The interior's kind of fancy smancy, high-end, chic, modern. There's also a bar there. And they like to play current pop and disco and club music and have flowers and neon signs all over the place. Looking at the main menu, there was a lot of different types of food to pick from soups and sandwiches, salad, and these were large portions. They were so large that maybe one person might not be able to eat them all, so you want to keep that in mind. Entrees, some of them were fancy, different types of pasta, hot chocolate, old-fashioned sundaes. Later on, I tried one of their specialty sundaes that you see here that have candy and cupcakes and that kind of stuff on top of it. So please wait for that review at the end. For my main entree, I tried the waffle breakfast burger, which was $23. This consisted of an 8-ounce black Angus beef burger, classic vanilla bean waffle, fried egg, melted cheddar cheese hash browns, country sausage, applewood bacon, and gravy served with warm maple syrup. Here is a closer look at my waffle breakfast burger. My fries look like basic fries. I had syrup and ketchup. I had a nice thick burger with an egg and bacon on it, and 2 thick fluffy waffles. Let's see what this tastes like. Get all of it on there. All of it on there. Get the rat. Can't get it. Okay. One more. With a little more meat on it. This is decent. I'm not sure if I like the combination of the hamburger and everything mixed with the waffles. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't blow me away. I can taste the egg and the bacon a little bit, but I'm not sure if I like the waffles and the syrup and the cheese and everything with this hamburger. I think I'm probably going to give this 7 cupcakes out of 10. Let's try the fries. Get those fries. These were just okay basic fries. They were a little bit soggy, they weren't that flavorful, and they had kind of a funny aftertaste to them that I didn't really care about. I think I'm going to give these 6 out of 10 cupcakes. I looked around and saw people celebrating their birthdays with giant sparklers and eating delicious treats, so I decided to look at the drink and dessert menu next. The drink menu was a large menu filled with all kinds of specialty cocktail drinks and margaritas. So any kind of tropical fruit flavor you would want was there. And they also had pictures of patrons and celebrities enjoying these cocktails. I decided I wanted to have dessert and not necessarily an alcoholic drink, as I was getting kind of full and just couldn't eat anymore. I guess if I would have got the drink, they could have put me on the menu as a celebrity. For dessert, I decided to try one of their signature insane shakes. I decided to try their Cookie Monster Make-A-Wish shake for $24.
Cookie!
This consisted of cookies and cream ice cream blended with vanilla sauce, topped with whipped cream, blue glazed donut, chocolate chip cookie, and a blue frosted cupcake with a birthday candle, served in a chocolate mug with chocolate chip chunks. Maybe this is all just a dream. Oh, there it is. So here's my milkshake with my Cookie Monster donut. On the outside of the milkshake, it's covered with chocolate with big sort of brownie chocolate chip cookie chunks on the outside, and a vanilla cupcake with a cookie chunk for a mouth. Let us try the donut first, shall we? Whipped cream. This donut is okay. It didn't exactly taste like it was fresh. It wasn't that sweet as far as the dough goes. The glaze was okay. I thought it could have been sweeter, fluffier, and lighter. This was just an okay donut. I'm gonna give it 5 cupcakes out of 10. Next, let's try these chocolate chunk brownies. These are pretty good. These were soft with just the right amount of chocolate chips to it. Very good. Typical standard kind of brownie chocolate chip cookie. I think I'm going to give these 8 out of 10 cupcakes. Now let's taste the milkshake itself. Get it all ready. This is really good. It really hits the spot on a hot day. It was a delicious, thick, creamy blend of Oreo cookies and cream. Just the right of thickness with a touch of whipped cream on top. Absolutely delicious. I think I'm going to give the milkshake itself 10 out of 10 cupcakes. I absolutely loved it and would definitely try it again. Lastly, me decided to try the vanilla Cookie Monster cupcake. This is a pretty good, decent cupcake. It was fluffy, light, a little bit moist. It had very good icing on top that wasn't too sickening sweet. Plus there was also a chocolate chip cookie chunk brownie on top for added flavor. This is a really fun addition to the milkshake, and I think I'm going to give this 8.5 cupcakes out of 10. After that, I was so full that I couldn't eat anything else.
Me filled up.
No more cookies?
No.
So that was my review of the Sugar Factory, New York City. Please hit that like and subscribe and comment on this video whether you've ate here, like milkshakes, like dessert, or like to see more content like this. If you hit like, subscribe, and also comment on this video, you'll be entered in my $50 giveaway, where I give away $50 to one subscriber when I reach 1,500 subscribers. So hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.